Now you know I had to come with another beautiful recipe for you guys. I could not stay too long away from you all. I had to bring another one. So here we go. Okay, we got one bell pepper, red or green. It's your choice. Either way, I love both. 3 cloves of garlic. Yeah, chop that finely. Set that aside. We got 1 onion, chopped finely as well. Okay, we're gonna take our time with this. Okay, set that aside. Right, we're gonna get our mushrooms. All right, and we're gonna slice them up thinly. Easy. Dusted. Done. All right, I got 2 chicken breasts. They are huge. They are huge breasts. My butcher guys, yeah, like always get like the best protein, the best meat by them. Like, come on, like best butchers. Okay, got some Cajun seasoning in there. Got some Cajun seasoning, got some paprika in there, got some salt, black pepper in there as well. Yeah, simple, easy. Right, we're just gonna build flavors. We are just building flavors right now. This is a pasta build with super duper flavors. Like, this is next level. Trust me. Super easy as well. Right, we got in a pan, medium heat. Okay, we got some olive oil in there, and right, we're gonna steam that 10 minutes, 50 according to the size. About 10 to 15 minutes we're gonna steam that, right? It's not gonna be dry. This might be the juiciest. This might be the juiciest chicken breast you ever had in your life. Believe me. Just trust me on this one. Okay, we're gonna set this one aside now. Easy. Beautiful. And in the same pan, okay, we're gonna add our onions in there, and we're gonna add our garlic in there. Alright? As well as our bell peppers in there as well. Alright? We're gonna put some black pepper. Right? And we're gonna give that a nice mix. In with the mushrooms. Beautiful. It looks so easy, right? It's so delicious. Believe what I'm telling you. It is perfect for any occasion. Valentine's is around the corner, yeah? So prepare. Right, we're gonna add our double cream in there. Right, we're gonna add our Cajun seasoning. I can't pronounce it well, right? Don't make fun of me, right? Right, we're gonna add our nice Old Bay in there. We're gonna add our 5 spice in there. Yes, we're looking so nice right now. I don't know, but my next camera, yeah, it just cut off, and I'm sorry guys, but don't blame me. This is the results, right? I just added the spaghetti in the sauce, and that was it. I never add anything else. I just put the spaghetti in the sauce, right? That was it. And this is the results right here. My other camera just cut off, and I'm so sorry we missed that part. but this is the final results. I just add some cheese on top, and there you go. Yo, that chicken was so juicy. I think that might be the best chicken breast I ever made in my life. But yeah, check this one out, family. This one is just so special. Happy Valentine's to all the lovers, to everyone that's in love. This one is for you. This one is for you. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe as well. If you want more easy, super delicious recipes, not too complicated, restaurant quality, as you can see, total restaurant quality. Yeah, just stick around, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.